Good morning, everyone. It's OPEYEMI, AYEOLA. I just feel the need to make this video. It is a very heartbreaking and sad time, especially with the passing of our beloved sister. Please, guys, this is not cloud chasing, or this video is not meant to come across as a negative video. I just hope that people who come across this video would understand what I am trying to say and the message I am trying to pass across. It's sad when we lose somebody very young. I would like to appeal to wonderful, beautiful people who feel hurt when colleagues, or let me just generalize it, that people post or dedicate posts on their pages when people pass on. Because we do not celebrate one another on our pages or post one another's businesses on our pages or promote one another's businesses on our pages doesn't mean we are excited or happy when we lose one another to death. Allow people use their space, their social media spaces, however they choose to. Everyone on social media is an adult. Allow people mourn. Allow people celebrate one another how they choose to. I have not posted a lot of people on my pages ever before in my life since I have been on social media. It does not mean that I hate them or I wish them bad or I wish them evil. But I tell you, the loss of one hurts, whether we have a close relationship or not. Whether we are acquaintances, colleagues, however, whatever relationship we have, it hurts. Tabanja bi kakuko. Bati eja bi kakuko. Please, let's stop this narrative of, when she was doing her birthday, when he was doing his birthday, you never posted them. Accepted. Guilty as charged. But it doesn't mean that we wish them evil or, we should not be sad. Please. We are not fighting. There's no quarrels. Even if there's quarrels or we are fighting, it's not to death. Please, please, please. Yes, it is just the way it is. We all hold that debt. It is a debt. However, people wish to mourn anyone, celebrity, friends, family, acquaintances, allow us do it. such times like this is a reflection for everyone. It is a lesson. It is a time for all of us to reflect the kind of life we are living. Do not start, bringing up negativity out of a sad situation. A lot of us genuinely, we are not like that. This narrative of people like to celebrate the dead. No. When incidents like this happen, it is a time of reflection. It calls us back to our reality as humans. It is sad, but it is true. Please, I am not trying to chase clouds. You guys know me, I don't chase clouds. This message is not meant to come across as negative. It's just that do not let us spread hate. Let us use this time as a time of reflection. Let us use this time as a time to call one another to order. Let us learn. Use this time as a time to learn. And I genuinely wish peace and eternal rest for the soul of the deceased. Ètòkù tọdún yìí má fi parí, àní sunkún èwe mọ́. Individually, heaven will grant of mercy and grace to live long. God bless you. God bless me. And may heaven console the loved ones of the deceased and everyone. God bless us all. By God's grace.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Ọpẹ́yẹmí Ayéọlá tí ó sọ sí àwọn kọ̀líìgì rẹ̀ nínú fídíò yìí nípa nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ àti lórí ikú arábìnrin ALLWELL Adémọ́lá. Ẹ ti gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí arábìnrin yìí tí ó sọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa.
See you all in 2026. Happy New Year in advance.